Hello everyone. In this video, let me discuss year 7 mathematic problems. I'm discussing it from Excel book, unit 16. I've discussed first 4 questions already in the other video. I'll drop the link for that video in the comment section. Okay, so let's discuss question 5 onwards. These are the questions. Let's start with question 5. So study this number line. You're given the number line and you need to do this thing. 4 is 7 intervals right of A and you need to find A. Okay, so let's see, we need to find A and we are given some hint. So if I just use the same number line, you will see 4 is here, okay, and 4 has to be to the right of A. That means A has to be to the left of 4 and it has to be 7 steps left. So let's count 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this should be my value of A. Okay, so A is negative 3 and negative 3 is 7 intervals right of 4. Okay, so that's negative 3. Now let's move on to question 6. This question is based on board mass. You have to subtract and then multiply, because the subtraction is in the bracket. As per board mass, we solve bracket in the first place. So let's see how to do this. This is question 6 and I'm trying to minus 9,350, take away 3,865. We'll borrow and subtract, 4-digit subtraction. So this would be 10 and then this would be 4. 10 take away 5 is 5. 4 is again less than 6, so I'll make it 14. This would be 2. 14 take away 6 is 8. 2 is again less, so I'll cancel 9. This would be 8 and this would be 12. 12 take away 8 is 4 and that's 5. So this is my answer after subtraction. Now I have to multiply it with 18. First I am subtracting, then I am multiplying. So let's see how to multiply. Let me just drag this a little up. So to the answer 5,485, I need to multiply 18. Okay, so double digit multiplication. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 is 68. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3, 43. Put a 0. 1 times anything is the same number, so it's just 5, 8, 4, and then 5. Finally, I'm going to add this. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 5 is 13, with a carryover, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1, 17, then 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8, and 9 plus 5 plus 4 is 9, okay, like this. So this should be my answer for question 6, 98,730. Okay, first we subtracted and then whatever we get after subtraction, we have to multiply that by 18. So let's move on. Let me just drag this one. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to solve question 7. Let's see what question 7 is. The contents of 24 boxes, each containing 132 apples. So first you have to underline whatever is given to you. That helps you understand what's going on. 132 apples in each 24 boxes were repacked into boxes each holding 96 apples. How many additional boxes needed? So we need to calculate that how many apples are there by multiplying 24 and 132. So that should be your step 1. Let's do step 1. Total apples. Okay, that should be 132 times 24. So column multiplication will help. Yeah. 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, 5. 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2. Like that. Okay. Then we are going to add them. If nothing is there, just put 0 in that place. That would be 8, this is 6, this is 11, and that's 3. So there are total 3168 apples. So that should be my step 1. Now moving on to step 2. In step 2, I have to divide total apples in 96 apples to get the number of boxes I need to repack them. So number of boxes needed is equals to 3168 divided by 96. Long division will help. 3168 divided by 96. You will notice that, see, it's 96, it's close to 100. So 100, 200, 300 times 3 should be close by 300. We need 3 digits in the first place. Let's multiply 96 by 3, because if we don't know times table 96, we can do column multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1, 28. So I think that should help. 96 times 3 is 288. By subtracting, this would be 16. We have to borrow, right? 16 take away 8 is 8. That will be 0. 0 is again less than 8. Make it 10. And now it's 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Slide down 8. Okay. This is 288. We already know 96 times 3 is 288. So that's what I did. Okay. So my quotient is 33. So we actually need 33 boxes to repack these apples. But the question was how many additional boxes needed. Okay. So we had 24 boxes already, and now we need 33 apples because we are packing 96 apples in each box now. Before we were packing 132 apples. So additional, now you can just do step 3. Step 3 should be 132, wait, no, you had 24 boxes and you need 33 boxes. So additional boxes needed should be 33 minus 24. That should be 9. So that's your answer for question 7. Okay, yeah, all right. I think this explanation helped. In case you still have any doubt, we can discuss. Thank you.